This is the login page of the application where the stores admin can log in with his user ID and password. Since the user ID and password belong to the stores admin, only the stores module is enabled and all the other modules are disabled. Stores admin monitors and maintains chemicals, microbial strains, etc. in all the labs. This module consists of a side with these tabs, the first of which is View Stocks. View tab can be used to see the available list of chemicals, kits, consumables, strains, plasmids, strains with plasmids and primers. For examples, when the chemicals tab is clicked, stores admin can see the list of all the available chemicals. Order stocks tab can be used to see the to be ordered list of chemicals, kits and consumables. This list is generated by default when the chemical quantities fall below the minimum requisite. Pending orders tab can be used to see the pending orders of chemicals, kits, consumables. Delete stock can be used to view the deleted records. Reference upload tab can be used by the stores admin to upload a reference journal or any paper. Next is the cell banking tab. When a new strain or plasmid has to be added into the database, stores admin can click on the cell banking tab and use the respective form to add a strain, plasmid, a strain with plasmid or a primer. Once added, he can also view those details by clicking on these tabs: View Strains, View Plasmids, View Strains with Plasmids and View Primers. In these view pages, he also can edit those details. By clicking on the Issue Forms tab, stores admin can issue a strain, plasmid or a primer to the relevant user. He can also place an order for a chemical manually by using the manual order form and then clicking the chemical, kits or consumables tab. Graphical analysis and statistical analysis tabs can be used to analyze the usage of chemicals, kits and consumables. Reports tab can be used to generate various types of reports. And the list of vendors tab can be used to see the list of vendor companies for the chemicals, kits and consumables. After using the application, stores admin can log out by simply clicking the logout button.